Hi guys, just going to do a quick morning pocket dump for what I've got in my pockets today. So looking at my Hank, a lovely circuit board one by Fatman Hanks, Matt Brace, fantastic. As always, Cooperator 205's in the house. Carrying my wallet, my Dev Jones and Fatman Hanks chip in. Olight, i5T, Desert Sun. Main blade is my stack gear ledge with thumb stud. My Griffin pocket tool in camo was a gift from a fellow cooperator. And I'm going to be doing some stuff with my dad today and want some help with his shed. I've got my Leatherman Wave. Again, another gift from another cooperator that I'm with in the EDC cooperative. And this wouldn't be set without a big sack. That's me. Got my Handyman. I find the Swiss Champ a little bit too overloading, a bit too hard to hold in the hand when you're trying to work. This covers all the bases that I need to cover. So I've got my main blade, I've got a small blade, I've got the can opener and posi screwdriver, we've got the bottle opener and flathead, metal file and metal saw, the wood saw, scissors and the pliers. Fantastic. Pen of choice today is this little one from Amazon. It's got the spirit level on, it's got a little ruler, obviously the pen at the end there as well, and stylus on the end with posi head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, and as always holding it together.